Good morning, friends. CHAKRA 2023, organized by Department of Science of Rathinam College of Arts and Science, is a wonderful event.
A national youth fest. The national youth fest நோடைய intent என்னன்னா say no to drug, no to mobile addiction, say no to traffic violation.
CHAKRA 2023 is a mega youth fest.
Everyone come and participate and enjoy the event. CHAKRA.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
I welcome you all to the event CHAKRA.
To CHAKRA 2023.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
சக்கராவுக்கு உங்களை அன்போடு வரவேற்கிறோம்.
மாணவர்களின் திறமைக்கான ஒரு அங்கீகாரம் CHAKRA.
CHAKRA.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
CHAKRA 2023. CHAKRA 2023.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
Welcome CHAKRA, a mega youth fest.
All are welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
Welcome to CHAKRA 2023.
Nearly 5,000 peopleக்கு மேல participate பண்ண போறாங்க. 10 lakhs worth prizes இருக்குது. We're expecting your participation and win the prizes. All the best. Best of luck. Please reach all your youngster arts and science, engineering, other all colleges to make this particular event will be a successful one. Thank you.